Welcome to the broadcast. I am Ashley Mazuri. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Maresha Witi. Now tonight we start Weekend Prime with a sad story of a Kenyan worker who was killed in Saudi Arabia. A post-mortem conducted on the body of Beatrice Waruguru today shows the barbaric manner of her death allegedly at the hands of her employer in Saudi Arabia. The post-mortem has confirmed that the late Waruguru was starved, burnt, strangled, and her eyes gouged out. The death has brought to light the kind of suffering Kenyan workers undergo, especially in Middle East countries. Our reporter Kimani Githuku with that story.
It is now clear that the late Beatrice Waruguru died a painful death. According to her family, the post-mortem report indicated that Waruguru's neck had strangulation marks and her body was dehydrated and undernourished by the time she died. The report suggested that a rope was used in strangling her. According to the family, the late Waruguru communicated with her family in December last year, reporting that she was being tortured by her employers in Saudi Arabia. However, an employment agency that facilitated her travel allegedly colluded with her employers to cover up her plight.
Kulingana na ule mtu alipelekwa na mtu mbaya. Vile huyo anaitwa nani? Agent. Huyo agent hapana kusikizana na mimi. Badala nimuulize mtoto wako aje, alikuwa ananitusi tu. Na huyo alikuwa ametoka kwa kampuni inaitwa na Desco. Huyo mama amenitusi mwaka mzima. Badala niambie mtoto wangu pahali alienda.
The pathologist has confirmed that her eyes had been gouged out. Torture marks, including burn scars, also visible on different parts of her body.
Mtoto ameteseka kweli. Huyo mtoto ni kama amekatwa shingo. Na ni kama wamemuua macho. Na ni kama wamemkata sehemu zingine za mwili.
Nikampigia, Rukia akaniambia ukiongea na yeye tena mwambie aende kwa atoroke, aende kwa police station iko karibu ama msikiti, ataenda asaidikie huko. Nikaambia Beatrice hivyo, akaniambia ni sawa. Nikakaa siku mbili hivi tena nikapiga simu. Beatrice naye ananiambia bado ako kwa ile nyumba, anateseka, anapigwa, achomwa na pasi.
With the rise of cases of Kenyans suffering in Saudi Arabia and other Middle East countries, all eyes are now on the government and the action it will take to end such cases. Kimani Githuku, KTN News.
Quite unfortunate. Now to other news. The son of nominated Member of Parliament David Ole Sankok, Memusi Sankok, who died from a gunshot injury, will be laid to rest on Saturday at the legislator's home in Ewasonyiro, Narok County.